Paul. Today we're diving into something that's absolutely fascinating, the 4 pairs of metamotivational states in reversal theory. And oh my days, you're going to love how this applies to sports. You know what's really interesting? These states are they're like having different channels in your brain. Let me break this down for you. First up, we've got the telic-paratelic pair. Now, imagine you're coaching netball, right? You've got this brilliant player who's usually super serious and goal-focused. That's their telic state. But then, sometimes they need to be in that playful paratelic state to actually enjoy the game. It's like my Schnauzer Bella when she's training versus when she's just having a jolly good time with her ball. Then there's the negativistic conformist pair. Oh my goodness, this is where it gets interesting. You know those moments when you've got a player who's usually following all the rules and then suddenly they're questioning everything? That's this pair in action. Have you ever noticed how relationships in sport can be completely different depending on these states? Like, take the mastery-sympathy pair, absolutely crucial in team sports. 1 minute you're in full-on competition mode and then you're supporting a teammate who's having a rough day. And don't even get me started on the ortic-aloic pair. This is where power relationships get really interesting. You see, when a coach is in an aloic state, they're focused on their athlete's needs, which is exactly what we want. But when they're stuck in an ortic state, it becomes all about them. The practical implications, well, they're absolutely game-changing. By understanding these states, we can create better relationships between coaches and athletes, improve team dynamics, and help everyone perform better. You know what's fascinating? When I work with dyslexic teachers, understanding these states helps them navigate their relationships with students so much better. It's like having a roadmap for emotional intelligence, and isn't that what we're all trying to do? Create these wonderful, supportive environments where everyone can thrive. So remember, lovely people, these states aren't just theory. They're the key to understanding how we all tick in sports. And when we get it right, well, that's when the magic happens. Isn't that just brilliant?